Hi, I'm Little Z. And I'm Little O. And today we're going to be changing our oil on our little motorbikes. So here's a KTM 50 Mini 09. And here's a KTM 50 SX 23. And what we need is a ratchet, fuel, oil pumper, and a drain kit. And a rag. So this is how you drain a KTM 50. So you see that little bolt there? That's the drain area. And when you drain it, then you got to come over to the other side of the bike. And there's this little screw thing. So then when you close up the screw, the drain down the bottom, then you unscrew that and then you pump the oil into it. We need the drain tray and the ratchet.
Yep. Righto. Right, just take the ratchet off, Oz, and then just undo it by hand. Lily,
Ow!
yeah. Yeah, take the ratchet off like this. Yep. Now just unspin it by hand. No, with the socket. Lily, out.
Then give me the rag. Rag.
It's alright. Alright, just pick it up and just put it on the... No, with the rag.
You down about one. Put it on the rag.
So now all the oil's drained out.
Now all the oil's drained out. Can we get the other things that we
Give it a little clean.
Can we get the spray head?
Nah.
No, Lily. There's a lily in my house. Got it out, puppy. There's a lily in my pocket.
Righto. Put the plug back in, Oz.
Yeah. No biting. No biting. It's a lily.
That's it. Other way, little bud. Yep. So what are you doing now, Oz?
I'm screwing the socket back on.
Screwing the drain plug back in? Yep. Drop it in. Yeah, you need a little bit of help, babe. There you go. Now just do it up.
Helen?
Yep.
Let me go inside. That helps us a lot.
Yep. And just give it a little nip. That's it. What's that?
That's it.
Now that's the...
Deep. Now that's the draining done. So Daddy, now we're gonna put the oil in.
How much oil does it take?
200.
200 mils? Alright, show me how to put in. What did you take out there?
The plug.
The plug. Alright, so where are we at? We're at
600.
So we're at 600, so we need to go down to what?
400.
Down to 400.
400. 400.
I know.
We got 400.
Alright, good job. Now what do you do?
Take it out. Put that in. Now I don't have to screw this one. I got it. Oh.
A little bit of help, bud?
Yeah, I'm just getting yours.
Yeah.
They're not true. They're not true. You see, I'm getting pretty good.
Yeah. There you go.
Little sir. They're not true. And Lewis, they're not true. They're not true.
That's heated.
So this is how you oil change on a KTM 50 SX23. So the same thing, you come down there, you undo the bolt. Oh. Is it the other way around?
Take it off the ratchet. Take it off the ratchet. How often do we have to change the clutch oil on these, mate?
So every race or every time you ride?
So every time you ride,
All
pretty much every hour you want to be changing the oil.
So what you have to do first is give her a little clean. Oh, the washer.
Yeah, gonna make sure you leave the copper washer on him.
So now she's all drained out, you have to go put her back in. Now this is the hard part to get it in right. So what you're going to do is see, that's got a magnet on the end.
What's the magnet on the end for?
So if there's any metal in the carby, it will,
in the clutch.
In the clutch, it will connect. It will get it on there, other than it breaking everything in the clutch. Then we put the ratchet on. Then you go ahead.
Yep, that's it, mate.
Then that's your draining done. Now the cap off. Then now you're putting your oil in. So first you take this cap off. You put that down there. And then you put your oil in there. So you want about 200 mils in there. So I'm going to just go to 200. So So now I'm going to put two extra bits in because some of it fell out. Is that 200? Yeah. I'm going to do pumps came out. Done. And that's how you
220.
do it on the KTM 50SX.
But that's 220.
Then you put this lid back on. This cap back on. When I first did it, I did the wrong way. So and then you're done.
Good job, bud.
Oil change on KTM 50. Even little ones can do it.
Hey, yeah. That's how we do it. That's so easy. That's the routine. Every time we race. All right.
Oh, yeah!